Alibaba just released Qwen 3.5, an open source model that claims to beat GPT, Claude, and Gemini. Let me show you if it actually works. I tested Qwen 3.5 using Qwen Code CLI and the VS Code extension. Currently, this model is free to use in Qwen Code with rate limits, so I gave it a shot. First test with the VS Code extension. I told it to build an expense tracker app in React with Shadcn components. The prompt was very detailed about what to do. It created to-dos like all agents do and started working. It took a decent amount of time to build, but version 1 wasn't working properly, so I prompted it to fix all bugs, and it did. Now the app looks amazing with great UI thanks to Shadcn components, but it was still inaccurate, not showing real data on the dashboard. Everything was zero. So I prompted again to fix these issues, and this time it built everything accurately. I can add expenses with real time updates on the dashboard. I can see all expenses with filters and edit them on the expenses tab. Then I can analyze all my spending at the analysis page with interactive charts and diagrams. We have a budget tab where I can manage monthly and category wise budgets and save those. In the last page, we have settings where I can delete all data, toggle themes, and even edit my monthly budget. Then I tested its CLI as well. I prompted it to build an end to end e commerce web app to sell Indian clothes online in Flask and Python. These models are massively trained on React code, so they build great React apps. But I wanted to see if it could build a good Flask app too. So without hesitation, I prompted it. It started building and took decent time, but it didn't run the first time. I said to fix this, and it did. But after several prompts to fix issues, I got a partially working app. The main problem, I can't place orders. The main component of an online selling app isn't working. When I built this same app with GLM5, that app was 100% working and bug free. But this one isn't. It also has an admin panel where I can manage everything, but that fails too. I can't add new products. Yes, it can be fixed, but I prompted many times and now I'm not going to do it again. So, my final take, this model is impressive, beating other powerful models on benchmarks, but it's failing to build production ready apps. Now, what is Qwen 3.5? Alibaba released this on February 16th, 2026. This open weight model outperforms GPT 5.2, Claude Opus, and Gemini 3 Pro across 80% of benchmarks. 397 billion parameters, but only 17 billion activate per token. That's mixture of experts efficiency, 400 billion parameter intelligence at 17 billion parameter cost, 1 million token context window, entire code bases, 500-page reports in a single prompt, native multimodal, trained on text, images, and video simultaneously, 201 languages supported, built for agentic AI with visual capabilities to control apps independently. Benchmarks on MMLU Qwen 3.5 scores 87.8%, Claude Opus scores 89.5, Gemini leads at 89.8, competitive with the best while being fully open weight. On GPQA Diamond for graduate level science, GPT 5.2 leads at 93%, Qwen 3.5 scores high 80s for open weight. Unprecedented visual agentic capability is revolutionary. It can look at any app screenshot, understand the interface, and take actions. Click buttons, fill forms, navigate menus, all without human intervention. Three thinking modes: enable thinking for hard problems, disable for fast responses, preserved thinking for long tasks, better control than competitors, access and pricing. Download free from Hugging Face under Apache 2.0 license, or use Alibaba Cloud at 18 cents per million tokens. Claude Opus costs $5 input and 25 output, over 100 times cheaper. GPT 5.2 costs 175 and 14. Qwen 3.5 wins massively on cost, where it wins document processing with OCR and PDF extraction. Multilingual apps with 201 languages, research and synthesis, enterprise teams wanting data sovereignty, limitations. GPT and Gemini still lead on peak reasoning. Claude leads on coding agents, and as my testing showed, building production apps isn't reliable. GLM5 built my Flask app perfectly, Qwen 3.5 struggled. Bottom line: 397 billion parameters, native multimodal, 201 languages, 1 million token context, Apache 2.0 open weights, competes at frontier level while being free to self-host, but as a developer building real apps, I'd pick GLM5 for production work and use Qwen 3.5 for research, multilingual tasks, and document processing. Benchmarks are impressive. Real-world reliability needs work. If you need multilingual capability or long context processing, Qwen 3.5 is worth trying. Download from Hugging Face or try at chat.qwen.ai. Just know the limitations for production coding.